Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I make my Pate Kode. I'm using all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and chicken seasoning because I want to make sure my dough is nice and flavorful. I'm also adding non-salted butter. And I'm using this kitchen tool just to make sure the butter is incorporated into our flour. You can use your hand. I'm adding room temperature water. And the amount of water that you will need will depend on the room that you're working in. You may need more or less. Just form a dough until the dough is not sticky. Then you're going to work that dough for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done working it, you're going to form it into a ball. And you're going to allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. Then you want to start working on your filling. You can use hot dog, but I'm using sausage. You're going to brown it, set it aside. Add your Epis. You're going to allow this Epis to cook for about a minute or so. Then you're going to add your tomato paste. Allow that to cook as well because you don't want that raw taste of tomato. Then I'm going to add my bell pepper, onion, and I do have a little bit of Scotch bonnet for heat. Allow that to cook as well. Then I'm going to add my herring. Make sure your herring was cooked. You have to boil it to remove the majority of the salt. Then you're going to shred it and add it back to your mix. I'm going to season with onion powder, black pepper, the garlic powder, and just a little bit of adobo season. There's no need for a whole bunch of seasoning because your herring still has some salt in there. I like to add a little bit of water just because I don't want mine to be too dry. And also add back your sausage, squeeze some fresh lime, let it cook for about a second or so, and you're done. I'm going to work on my dough. I just want to show you the consistency that your dough should have. Okay, it should be nice and soft just like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 4 pieces, or you can cut it into smaller pieces, but we're going to do 4 this time. And once I have my dough into the amount of pieces that I want, you want to make sure you season your board with flour, just to make sure when you're rolling it, it's not sticking to your surface or to the rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, use a ketchup bottle. Just make sure you roll it until it's not too thin, but you don't want it too thick either. Add your filling, add your egg. You can add your pickles, but I like to wait and serve the pickles on the side only because I already add the Scotch bonnet, so we don't want it to be too spicy. Okay, so you want to go ahead and bring your dough over like this, and with your hand, you're going to go around the edges and close it and remove the extra dough. But I want to make sure it's sealed, so I'm going to use a fork. I'm going to go around and press the fork down to seal it. Then you want to deep fry it, or you can just spray it, put it in your oven. As you can see, it was not too thick. It was not overstuffed. It was just right. It was absolutely delicious. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.